Well, good morning everyone. Arizona RE here, out on the RE. And today I've got a real special treat for you. Today we're going to the Pima County Air Space Museum. And man, if you guys don't know about this place, you should. They have over 300 preserved aircraft, ranging from you know, replicas of the Wright brothers aircraft, but also preserved aircraft from World War I, World War II, all the way up. And next to the Smithsonian, it is the largest collection of restored and preserved aircraft. However, if you add in AMARG, which is right next door, I'll link you guys to a video I did about AMARG. That's what you're about to see here on the horizon, is this airplane graveyard. Well, now the Air Museum incorporates a tour of AMARG as well. So if you count AMARG, then you actually have the largest collection of restored and stored aircraft in the entire world in one place. It's pretty incredible. The facility we're going to today actually sits on about 80 acres and has more than 300 aircraft there. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to get there early, and I'm just going to be walking around the place, going nuts. I have the camera on a gimbal, and I'll take a bunch of pictures. There's just going to be too much to even talk about. I really don't know how I can put it in less than maybe an hour or 2 hour video. So you guys stick with me. Well, that was it, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And man, if you guys ever get out this way, definitely go to the airplane museum, the Pima County, the Pima Air Museum, Air and Space Museum. Do the trip to AMARG, because there's even more to see there. These aircraft are full of history. And again, as you saw, they had everything: British aircraft, experimental aircraft, aircraft from all over the world. There's Russian aircraft. Just really a beautiful collection of history, and it's really awesome to see. And again, go check out my video on AMARG. You get a little more history about AMARG and how that plays a role in the defense of this country and the preservation of aircraft for our military. Anyway, it's time to blow some cobwebs out of the old Enfield here, so I'm just gonna keep on cruising the rest of the day.